Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a paneer bhurji recipe. For this, firstly heat a kadai and add a 4 teaspoon of oil to it. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to it. Cumin seeds helps in lowers the cholesterol. Now add a 1 bowl of onion to it. Fry it until onion becomes soft in a texture. Now add a half bowl of peas to it. It has an anti-aging properties. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to it as it aids in a digestion. And add 1 roughly chopped tomatoes to it. Tomatoes are low in calories and boost your immunity. Now add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. It has an antibiotic properties. Now add 1 teaspoon of fresh cream to it. Saute it well. Now add a 1 teaspoon of coriander powder to it as it promotes heart, brain and skin health. Add a quarter teaspoon of red chilli powder to it. Fry it well. And now add a 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Fry it well. Now I am adding a 1 cup of grated paneer to it. It's ideal for diabetic patients and helps in building better bones and teeth. Saute it well. Now add 1 bowl of water to this mixture and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Now add handful of kasuri methi to it. It helps in a reduction of platelet formation. Saute it well. Now add a half teaspoon of garam masala to it. Saute it well. Now add handful of coriander leaves to it. It promotes in digestion and in gut health. Saute it well. Now close the lid for a few minutes. Now paneer bhurji is ready to serve with a roti, rice and chapati. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and share this recipe to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.